When you decide to take a break from your busy schedule and relax, going camping is one of the best options. But to suddenly cut yourself away from the conveniences of modern life can be a bit daunting. People often fear how they will manage around just trees and rocks. What if they urgently need something? And what if they forget to carry some basic things? You cannot carry everything while going camping, but you can anticipate the things you will need. So here are some important things to bring camping. So without dying of anxiety of bringing basic things, let's start. So the first thing is sleeping gear. The most basic question to consider is where you shall sleep. So let's start with your tent. The size of the tent is totally up to you. However, there are a few things you would like to have in your tent. It should be waterproof, durable, compact when folded and spacious enough. It should be easy to set up. Air vents are highly desirable, especially if it's a big tent with multiple occupants. Nowadays, there are also tents available with electric ports. If you are going to bring some electronics and electrical appliances, these type of tents will make things a bit easier. So the second thing you will need for sleeping gear is a sleeping mattress. One thing that differentiates an average camping trip from an excellent one is good sleep. Sleeping on the rocky and bumpy ground can be uncomfortable and even hurtful. Thus, you will need at least a basic sleeping mattress specifically designed for camping. These are generally inflatable and compact. Thus, these mattresses are easy to carry and they are decently comfortable. Third thing in the list of sleeping gear is sleeping bags. Sleeping bags are another option you can go for instead of sleeping mattresses. They serve a dual purpose. You get a mattress and a quilt in one. You can always carry an extra blanket or a pillow to be more comfortable. Okay, so second on the list is cooking equipment. Here are a few cooking related things you would like to pack if the camp you are going to does not provide them. First is a way to light fire. Whether it is open fire or a stove, you will require some way to light the fire. You may need a good lighter or a flint for this. Additionally, if you are going for a campfire, you will also require tinder and fire starter. It is especially true if you are trying to start a fire in a moist or humid environment. A combined fire starting kit generally has all of it. Now second on the list is cookware. You will also need something to cook your food in, like pots and pans. Additionally, tongs and flippers will help you to hold the food without burning your hands. Third on the list is plates and cutlery. Once your food is ready, you will need something to eat it in. Don't forget to carry plates and cutlery. Fourth on the list is thermo-insulated bottles and jars. A lot of people forget about carrying something to hold their drinks in. Carry insulated containers, jars and bottles so that you can drink hot and cold beverages at optimal temperatures. Third category is some essential items. These are the things you will need for more comfortable camping. First is hammers. They are multi-purpose. From fixing your tent to nailing gear on trees, the importance of hammer is endless. Second is sunscreen. You will be outdoors all exposed to the sun and you don't want to get sunburns. Third is bug sprays. Bug spray is arguably the most important item on the list. Out in the wilderness while camping, you will probably be near bugs. Thus, you need some bug spray to help get rid of them. Other options to defend yourself from insects are mosquito coils, roll-ons and patches. Fourth is sanitizers. Sanitizers are common hygiene product these days. If you are going in a group, you can promote your hygiene. You can use it on door handles of any public washroom or in places with shared amenities. Fifth is flashlights. Lanterns, flashlights or headlamps are of great help for walking around at night or when you want light inside your tent. Sixth is first aid kit. A first aid kit is vital in case you get hurt during your trip. It is also helpful when medical help is not readily available near your camp. Seventh is a tarp. A tarp is another multi-purpose item on the list. Whether you want to cover something, add a layer of protection to your tent or make a makeshift tent itself, a tarp is useful in multiple ways. Okay, so eighth is pocket knife. If you plan to venture away from your campsite, carry a pocket knife with you. You will probably have a knife in your kitchen gear, but keeping a pocket knife is always a safe option. Now ninth are some personal items like clothes and towels, etc. Choosing clothes to carry is a personal choice, but there are some categories you should consider. Here's the list. Comfortable clothes to sleep in, sweatshirts, outerwears, towels, feminine hygiene products, something for the rainy day travel like a rain jacket or a raincoat, footwear. Think about the footwear you want to carry depending upon the activity you want to do, like some comfortable slippers or flip-flops for a walk, running or hiking shoes and socks if you plan to do those activities, a couple of additional pair of socks. The fourth category has some additional things that you may want to carry. First is sunglasses. Sunglasses are a desired item if you are going to a sunny place. Please also bring along spare vision glasses or contact lenses if you use them, because you never know when you will need extra glasses during the camping, and in that condition you won't be able to enjoy it to the fullest. Now second thing is a cap or a hat. If you want to keep the sun away from your eyes while doing something, you can bring along a cap or a hat. Third thing is something for entertainment. A couple of things you can carry for entertainment are pack of cards, sports equipment and volleyballs, other games you may want to play. But before you go out buying them, there are a few ways in which you can save some serious money on camping gear.
You can watch my video on how you can save money here. That's about it. Vineet out.